All those flashing lights, the strobe light, saying about the light, brightness bright, singing hey there, singing hey there, hey there, looking up glare, climbing up the escalator, climbing up the stairs, as I stare into that space sign, hey there, over to wherever it's to you. This is the intro to introduce that producing that I like to produce that singing and the rapping. As I'm wrapping up the presents, meaning that I like to be consistent with that very nice storyline, speaking about all these things more than twice. Even though the twice of that multiple times of the dice, I said, hey now, the board games be having the dice and we be having card games with the deck of cards playing. Said I am the leprechaun, all the leopard of the saying of being fast, he skirt. That's what I'm talking about, through the lanes, being a leopard, no leprechauns. That is what it is with the very nice green. I said, hey, foam green with the bees, I like to scream. Even though I'm kinda mellow right now, I have all type of genres that I do with the styles. Hey, stylish style, polished with that shanging rounds, you know? So, I said it is that intro of me always over-introducing, re-introducing, re-uttering that interview, viewing what it is to do, you know? So smooth. I say as smooth as a talker that I happen to be. 2024, all the way back to 2004, even before that with the metaphors, met that dance floor ever since I can remember before, you know? So, as we is always glaring, glancing, prancing, dancing, gliding, touching, sliding, whatever it is to be, air walking with the air, airing the air, airing with everybody out chair, you know, cheering, joining joints as we pop, locking, dropping it to the easing, to the singing smoothly. Then again, I'll be wildly, you know what I'm saying, popping, you know what I'm saying, popping up to the equation of, you know, being that artistic with the obstacles, with the mazes that do go with the routes and the avenues. You know me, I do's what it do, as we is to do what we do. So cool, perfectly perfection as what it is, what it means. Artistics, sayings with them stickings around, drummers saying strings with the guitarist me, murmuring what it is to be, beaming to the beam that resides, you know what I'm saying, all them sayings I do put in a row. Roly-poly, I say, hey now, attractively with the saying, attractive. The attraction is all us with the traction, you know, rubber with the whatever it may be with the mineral things, that metal, hard metal into whatever metalings it can be, you know what it means with the mineral rocking, hey, rocky, what it be with the mountains, hey, Mount Everest. Over and over again, I would say this, hey, singing and rapping with a bliss blast it is to have ourselves in fun, smiling and laughs, you know. So blasted to the 1, 2, 3, 4. I said all the metaphors do be, you know, properly, popping, prompting, whatever it is to be scripting, you know what I mean? Scrams, jams, jamming, jammers, you know what I mean? I be saying that I do all this, that, and I be murmuring this, that, putting it into perspective. My perspective is to be, you know what I'm saying? And so I do sing and I do rap and I do poet. I am a poeting. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? That fun attractions of attractions. I'm saying that active actings. I am the actor. You know, he is the factor. We is factoring up. The fraction is, you know what I'm saying? The equalization is to be that, you know, fraction. You know, I am the additive, adding whatever it is to add on this beat. I made this beat, I be drumming, I be the drummer me, I be the guitarist me, I be doing me, saying that I do whatever it is to do. Other views be doing these things too, so you know we be out here truly team dedicated. You know what I mean? Versatile. So I say I do sing, so I do be on the encore. Yeah, I mean on that scene. Hey. So let me keep it going, go, 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 go into them daisies I see with the days, with the roaming, with the sky zoning zone, with that mesmerized sang song, remarkable, marking up the lands with our time steps, stumping around with the stumping ground steps, steeps, the steep of the, what I'm saying, heights, climates, climb, that what I do, climb the storyline view, doing what we do, view on the title, on the cover, on the albums, on the magazines, on the books. I say we do be shaking up the scene, shook if I say I thou shall, always keeps it real. Realism is what it is, what I do, talking about that wisdom that we happen to be and we do what it does. And so, I say the knowings, we go into the knowing zones, into the very nice canal of the rabbit's hole, we is always, looking through to the TikTok quick quacking up, productions, I say what it is with that singing, producing, singing, directing, directions is directly what it means with that highway, the interstate, enter the states, into the continents, into the intuitive islands with the islands, landing that land, lands of fun, lands of fundamental, I do my rapping, singing for the mentality of the mental of the state of mind. And so I stay into that, avenue with the avenues. All the avenues is the very nice ways to go, you know what I mean? So, I talk about whatever it is to be on like that very nice natural light switch that the sun do be, switching into that very nice tree branch. As we talk about what did this, it is that versing, singing, vocals, vocaling, saying. Signing into the signings, with the abbreviations, heavy breathing into whatever it is to breathe on, songs. Yeah, though, exhaling within the acceleration, excelling, So there we go, inhaling, exhaling, whatever it is, excelling, accelerations, fast speed of Fast and 18s, fastening up quicker than fast. Ferraris out here, what a blast. Ado, it's Raider. It's Raider, like to play though, Clay-Doh, like to play within words though. Get a little, get a lot of, big steps up there, lightning, stricken is what it is. I say, whoa, the background of the app lives just be out of nowhere, random scene. That's how I be, that's how I am, put together yet everywhere though. Out of order, ordinary, unordinary, extraordinary. I say what it is, what a story to be, with the humanitarian, with that poeting, I am that one with that potion, I say that magic with that mysterious, and I do be liking to, say that, just us being with the humanity, being the beings that we happen to be, with the species speaking on it, being about it, with the witties, and so I'll be going with the wind quick as, looking through far on the TV screen with the quicksand on the cartoons, me, I tune into them tunes with the tone of varying, the range of the vocal saying. I like to, be about all that I'll be talking about. That's me running around, being around with the roundabouts, about face, facing other faces that's smiling. We like to smile, we do smile, worked all, worthy of saying whatever at this point, but it did go on point at this point. Every point out the pointers. They just ready to beat stopped. I did make that beat, and it is, going on and on again. I guess it did that pause, it did that dropped into that singing doo-wop. Alias Ray, skit, scat, scram, jams is on, sing them songs.